use and care of our equipment is imperative to our job. It's important that we focus on not only quality use, but quality care.
So we're here at a blue capped hydrant. What that means is this hydrant does not have a drain. So once we shut this hydrant all the way off, the water inside the barrel of the hydrant is not going to drain down into the soil. It doesn't have a drain at all. In the summertime we need to pump it out, and in the wintertime it's crucial that we pump it out immediately so that this doesn't freeze and bust the hydrant. So we're going to show you how to do that. We just ran the hydrant, so now there's water all the way up to the top of this hydrant right now, and it's not going to go anywhere unless we pump it out. On your engine, you have a black bag like this with a line to run into the hydrant and a exit line to pump the water out. This small pump is electric. I got it hooked up to a generator today. On here it says outlet port. So this is where the water is going to come out. I'm going to hook the short line up to that. And I'm going to hook this long black line up to the inlet side of the pump so that I can pump this water out. And all I'm going to do is run this black line all the way to the bottom of this hydrant. So I'll straighten out the hose. That will help us get it in there. Run this all the way down to the bottom, below the frost line, so I can get all this water out of here, so I don't cause a problem. If we can't get to this, it's important that we call somebody and let Public Works know right away that it needs to be pumped out. As I start this, it should start pumping the water out. You can see it's pulling the water out of the bottom. The black line was a hard stop once it got to the bottom of the hydrant. Now we just have to wait for this water to come out. As always, once this is done, we're going to pull this black line out, put everything back the way we found it. Check these threads. You can see on this one here, they're pretty rusty. This one is not seating all the way. I want to make sure that this hydrant's in good working order, so I'm going to let someone know so that we can get a hold of the Public Works Department and they can come out and maintain this hydrant. See just how long this takes. Shouldn't take but another 30 seconds or so, and then we can shut everything down, make sure the pump is dry, the lines are drained out, everything's back in the bag, back on the truck, and the hydrant's put away the way that it should be. And that's about it.